Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce Mr. Kapil Kapoor. Mr. Kapoor is the founder and CTO at IAQ consultant at Vayuguard Climate Tech. He is an indoor air quality specialist and engineering professional with over 1.5 decades of experience in various fields, of which 4 years of Middle East experience. He has professional knowledge in IAQ analysis and proposing solutions by the analysis report. Mr. Kapil was also associated as Chief Growth Officer in IntelliGreen Technologies and has spent 3 years at Enocean Intellectual Solutions. Today, Mr. Kapil will talk on technologies for data center, corrosion prevention, and control and monitoring. So, without further ado, please welcome Mr. Kapoor.
So, as per today's scenario, you can see everywhere now air pollution in the news and web media and everywhere. So there are plenty of things for the IAQ, but today we'll be sticking towards only the data centers. So as per the lung organization, these are the 10 fatal and non-fatal diseases for human beings, but today we are for the machines, safeguarding the machines only. So this is for the data centers. So as the data center now in the age of digitalization, so everything which we are seeing on the mobile, laptops, or anything which is related with the internet, so that comes through the data centers. So data centers play a pivotal role in today's era. So previously, all the data centers were having contact points coated with the lead. But after the ROHS interventions, lead has been prohibited, and now silver, copper, and other metals are there, which are prone to corrosion if the environment is not good. Okay, so you can consider these 4 parameters as the major culprits or the threat to the data center machinery. So these are of hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide, bromine, chlorine, and oxide of nitrogen. So NOx, SOx, these are the major culprits which do the oxidization of contact points. So nowadays, data center size has been shrinked, and the PCB printed circuit boards and the contact points are of very small size. So the corrosion plays vital role in the failure of PCBs. So once PCB fails, whole data centers is shut down. So which is in numbers, in revenues, or in the terms of monetary thing, it's a huge loss for IT companies. So these are the effects which are numbered in the loss of data, frequent need of replacement of electronics, malfunction of failure or equipment. So all are related with the failure of the equipment or the shut off of the data centers. So as per standard, yes, there are the standard ISA standard says that G1, G2, G3, GX are the grades which need to be maintained in the data centers. So G1 is the mild, which is practically all the facility managers have to maintain that. G2, G3 are the above conditions where failure will happen. So there are testing parameters like online monitoring, and the coupon testing is already there. So these are the design consideration while designing a project or while designing data center. These are the major points which any designer take into the new consideration. So these are the pressurization of the room, air circulations, temperature, humidity, and proper sealing of the space. If there is any infiltration, so for example in Delhi NCR, Noida is the more vulnerable area. So if there is infiltration of the gases, yes, the more prone they are to the corrosion. So these are the solutions available for data centers. Like there are plenty of companies who provide gas-based filtration or the chemical-based filtration for the data centers to safeguard the machinery and to maintain the G1 category in this space. Because there is no human intervention in the data center, the space is locked and cooling is there. But yes, to maintain these G1 grade, certain technologies need to be implemented. And yes, there are plenty of coatings are available for printed circuit boards, like parylene and anodizing coatings are there. And to make them visible or to get the data of corrosion, there are real-time monitoring equipments, and the again coupon testing systems are there. The coupon testing system will we have to put it in the attic for a certain number of days, and then we can analyze that how much oxidation has happened on the silver and copper plates. Accordingly, we can design a solution. We can reduce or enhance the efficiency levels of the filtration, because these filtrations are mechanical based filtration, so they have to be replaced after a certain period of time. That's why monitoring plays a pivotal role in that. So that's all from my end on the equipments or the safeguarding of the data centers. So we have manufacturing facility and the R&D support in the IIT Delhi. So that's all from my end. Any questions? Would love to answer.